Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Yahoo Finance portfolios for tracking returns. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Yahoo Finance. Log into your Yahoo account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Yahoo Finance homepage, locate the Portfolios tab in the menu. Click on the Portfolios tab to access your portfolio dashboard. If you haven't created a portfolio yet, click on the Create Portfolio button. Enter a name for your portfolio in the provided field. Select your desired currency from the drop-down menu. Click on Add Symbols to begin adding assets to your portfolio. Type the name or ticker symbol of a stock, ETF, or mutual fund in the search bar. Select the appropriate asset from the drop-down list. Specify the number of shares or the amount you wish to invest in the selected asset. Click that Add button to include the asset in your portfolio. Repeat the process for all assets you wish to track. Once you've added all your assets, review your portfolio for accuracy. You can adjust the quantity or remove any assets by clicking on the corresponding edit or delete icons. To track returns, Yahoo Finance automatically calculates performance based on your entries. Check the portfolio's overall performance metrics displayed on the dashboard. To customize your portfolio's view, use the available filters or settings options. You can choose to view performance on a daily, weekly, or custom time frame. Every time you log in, your portfolio will be updated with the latest market data. This setup allows you to monitor your investments and track returns effortlessly. Explore additional features, such as alerts and news related to your assets, to stay informed. With your portfolio configured, you are now ready to track your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.